Hello doers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Using this our day product barcode number, you can easily generate barcode, number and image. So let's see about it how to work it. You can see here our module day product barcode number. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to inventory, go to products, go to anyone like a drawer black. See here this generate barcode, click on. You can easily see here generated barcode number with image. And if you want to generate for multiple, so select here, go to action menu and see here this menu generate barcode, click on. Now click on this generate button. See here this in product generated for specific product. Thank you.